January 31st. So far behind schedule, it hurts. A little update on Alyssa's quad. A little TaoTao 110D. Two of these hold the front rack in place. And I've lost one. I cannot find it anywhere. I've torn this shop upside down, inside out, and I cannot find it anywhere. So what do I do about it? Make some new ones. You can see I've drilled a little hole, whatnot. I'll be tapping these guys out. Just made them out of aluminum stock. Just made these out of a set of aluminum stock. Using my trusty chop saw back here I've had for way too long. So yeah, I've already drilled them. I'm going to tap them out. I'm going to throw these in the vibratory tumbler just to clean them down, kind of make sure they're nice and clean before I actually go ahead and finish out the tapping. No, I'm going to tap them first, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and tap these guys, and I'll throw them in the vibratory tumbler, clean them up, and then I'm going to powder coat them black as well. So that's where we're at so far. I'm going to get to work on this. Alright, so I've already drilled a 13/64 hole here for my 1/4 tap. This is a tap wrench. You see this guy's got squeezy jaws in it that you just tighten this down. Squeezy jaws. Yes, squeezy jaws is a technical term, ladies and gentlemen. Once you've got your tap and tap wrench all set together, the thing everybody seems to want to do is just get right into it. Don't do that. Bad. You want to extend the cutting life of your tool, and you want to make sure you get a nice clean cut. Now to do that, you need lubricant. Now I'm just using a little bit of motor oil here, but you can use just about anything. They do have an actual 3-in-1 cutting oil that works really, really well. And all I'm doing here is getting some oil, get my wrench nice and oiled, get it set on here. Now this Irwin one I have has a nice little auto starting that helps make sure that everything's nice and straight. And you're going to slowly cut into it. What I like to do is I'll cut a thread or so, and I'll break it back a half thread. And the reason for that, there's a half, one, back a half. What I'm doing is breaking up the chips that you'll slowly see start to rise here. By letting the tool cut these chips up, I managed to make sure that I have a nice clean cut. So I do 2 half turns down, 1 half turn back up. Now I need these down to about 1 inch depth. And what I'm going to do here is back my tool back out. See, I've gone 1 inch or 2 down in there. You can see I've got all these chips here. So what I want to do is just clean this all off. You can use anything you want. I'm just going to spritz it down a little bit of WD-40. Once I find my WD-40, and I'm not sure that that's a deep enough hole yet, so I want to flush it out. Your tool, any cutting tool you have, drills, taps, anything like that, always keep them nice and lubricated. It'll keep the edges nice and sharp and make sure you get years and years of use out of them. Alright, now once you've got the hole as deep as you need it to be, in my case that should be perfect, go ahead and back it back out. Oh yeah, perfect. There you go, tapping a bolt hole. Let you bolt whatever you want to whatever metal you've got laying around. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. If you didn't, then go ahead and dislike the video and tell me what I can do better. I'm always open to feedback. And yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.